This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Idol's personal life. So, don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video, cherries. Well, it's our bunny Jungkook's FF and it is an Indian Korean FF. Guys, remember all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So, don't take it to your kidneys and heart and have a good time. Taeyang, YN, how did you fell in Jiyeon Jungkook's trap? He mumbled while his chest pained while seeing you both, but soon his eyes became disastrous. Taeyang, my Luna, my YN is with Jungkook. With that, I'll free you from it and make you mine soon, baby. He mumbled under his breath. Then he spoke to his secretary. Taeyang, Choi, my YN stays in Italy and I won't where she's staying. As she's under Jungkook's control, it is little tricky for us to find, but I know you can do it. Choi, what sir? Madam is under the control of Jiyeon Jungkook? But it is impossible, boss, to know about the location. Taeyang, I don't care. I want the information, he said by looking at him. But then his eyes turned towards both of you. But he didn't find you both, which made him tighten his fist. You both ate the dinner and Jungkook is sleeping while cuddling you. But you are wide awake because you are trapped with him. You, how should I escape from him? Day by day, chances are becoming low. There is no way to escape from him and no one can help me because everyone loves their life. I have to think something. She mumbled while letting out a sigh. Then Jungkook started wiggling and panicking, which made her turn towards him. You, Mr. Jiyeon? What happened? He asked. But he sat while grabbing his head tightly. He's trying to kill me, he said while closing his ears tightly, which made you confused because he's the beast himself and he's fearing about something which didn't happen. You, Mr. Jiyeon, it's fine. Nothing is going to happen to you. Jungkook, who are you? He said, which made you shocked by his words. He's acting very strange, which you can't understand. Jungkook, get out! You will kill me, like how he killed her. Go away, you are a bad person, he shouted while throwing the things here and there, which made you panic. So instantly, you went to call out his secretary. Mark, what happened, madam? Is everything fine? You, no, Mr. Jiyeon is behaving strange. You spoke, which made his eyes widen, and he understood it. So instantly, he dashed to the room, followed by you. Mark, Mr. Jiyeon, boss, please take your tablets, he said. But But then Mark words made you to come to reality. Mark, please take care of boss, madam. He can do anything for you. Are you kidding me? Don't you know how he trapped me? And you're telling me to take care of your boss? Get yourself a grip and speak to me. If your sister was in my place, what you would do? Mark, I can understand your sorrow, madam, but you are the first woman in his life who is head over heels for you. He can do anything for you. I'm working under him for past 7 years and he didn't care about anyone like you. Only you can change him, madam, he said, and you don't know what to say. Then Mark bowed to you. Then he left the place. You sat on the bed and you are in deep thoughts. But then Jungkook caught your hand and he placed your hand under his cheek. Jungkook, I love you, Ryan. Please, love me back, he said, which made you shocked to the core. Because he told that he doesn't love you. You are with him only for his satisfaction.
चाहे दुख हो चाहे सुख हो दिल ने तुझको ही पुकारा तूने हमको है बनाया तूने हमको है सवारा जहाँ को तो रब का है हमें तेरा है सहारा बस तेरा साथ हो चाहे जो बात हो बस तेरा साथ हो चाहे जो बात हो तेरे कहने से कर जाएंगे हम मर जाएंगे ओ हम मर जाएंगे
हंसता रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल बदले बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे हुआ तुम इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर कहीं पे हो रातें कहीं पे सवेरे रही साथ मेरे ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर। क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा कि मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। फलक तक चल साथ मेरे फलक।
नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे। बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे। छाए उदासी लतीफे सुनाकर तुझको हंसा देंगे हम।